Hi, it's Sherry, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own QR codes. So first thing you need to do is search for a QR code generator, and Google has a lot of them. I actually like the one at the very top of the results list, qrstuff.com. Besides the fact that it's free, one of the reasons I like it is because it's got 4 simple steps. The first step is choosing your data type. Most QR codes that you use, you're going to want to link to a web page. So you'd use this one, and that's why it's the default. But you could also link to a YouTube video, a Google Maps location, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Now I want to link to the University of Alberta homepage. So I paste that in there, and just a brief look down here, encoding options, static or dynamic. If you're using these just once in a while and you don't think that the web address is going to change, use static. If you want to use dynamic, that means that you think that the URL might change at some point, and rather than changing all of the information on your QR code, you just change the URL shortener. For our purposes, static is just fine. And you'll see over on the right here, we've got the QR code preview. It's in black and white. Most of the QR codes that you will see are in black and white because it's simple and easy, but they don't have to be quite that simple. You can make them a little more attractive. I'm choosing a nice vibrant green to go with the U of A school colors, and you see it over on the right in a nice preview. Now if I like it, and I do, I can just click download QR code. And that is the 4th step. You can download, you can print, email if you want to spend some money, you can put your code on other stuff. I just want to download right now, so I'm going to click that button and go to the bottom of my web browser, open up that QR code, and there it is in preview. And I like this. I could print this off right away. If I want to use it again, and I think I will, I could save it as a PNG file or a PDF file. Now I think that looks great, but I want to show you something a little fancier. Now over on the bottom here, you see it says create a visual QR code. And if you click on that, you will go to a site called visuallead.com, which is a related site to QR stuff. It takes your QR code that you've made on QR stuff and lets you transform your QR code into some sort of picture. You can use their gallery. I don't want to do that. I want to upload my own image, and it's the U of A logo. Nothing better to take you to the U of A than its very own logo. So I'm going to use the whole image that I've uploaded. You can play around with these tools. You can rotate your image, you can zoom in, change the colors a couple different ways, change the generation, and that's just how the output is going to look. It's very similar. It's generation 2 is fine for us. And then it says create QR code. So every time you want to preview, you just click that button and it'll show you what it's going to be like. And you've got some more choices over here. You can have rounded edges or squared. And you can use little squares, circles, or stars. I'm going to try stars. I'm going to create my QR code here and see what it looks like. I think that looks great. There's one more thing over here, effects. Go black and white, which kills our whole purpose of using school colors and the actual logo. You can click Sketch. Let's see what that looks like, just for fun. And that looks pretty good. But I don't know, you could warp it a little bit. Try that out when you have a chance. Make it into more cartoony looking ripples. I'm going to stick with none because I like the looks of the logo just like it is. Go back to my Create QR code button. And this is exactly what I want, so I'm going to click Next. And that's going to take me to the pricing page. If you're doing this for a business, you probably want to spend a little bit of money, but I'm just doing it once, so I'm going to use the free option. And it says I've used 2 out of 3 visual QR codes. You got me. I tried this earlier today. So you see that I can download it just like I did with my previous QR code. And there you have it. This is actually the QR code that I've used in this training module up in the right hand corner. I think it's really very cool, and as you can see, it was really easy to do. You just find the QR code generator you want, follow the steps, download, and you're done. Thank you very much. Enjoy your QR code generation.